When we receive the machine, we install all the handles into the machine. Now we install these motors into the machine. These are used for add the solution according to need. Now we connect the iPad in the machine. We take down the bottle D and the solid bottle. And then we can see here has two holes, water inlet and overflow. We find a funnel and insert in the water inlet. And find a tube, insert the overflow. And then add the water. Please remember the water must spill water on pure water. When we see the water out from the pure water hole, it means the water is full. You can stop at the water. And pour out the funnel. And the bottle D, we can add the pure water and then install them back. This one is the sewage bottle. Normally, we need to change the water every month. When we want to change the water, we need to open the hole in the bottom of the machine and then let the water out from the overflow and then add the water again. Now we insert the power line and press this button on the machine. We long press this button on the machine and then double click the Smart Ice Pro app. Enter the system interface. Now we need to enter the customer identity information. We click the register and enter personal information. Member name, telephone number, and the size, and date of birth, the address, and then type of photo. Click the enter. And here is the manage. The password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can manage the member, machine, password, product, and language here. We can delete or modify the member information here. And here's the machine. You can set the frequency of variable here. The password, you can change the password. And here is the product. We can add the product we want to recommend, and after the customer finish the skin analysis, the system will recommend the corresponding product according to their skin condition. And here is the language. Now we start to login. You can see here has 4 options: comprehensive testing, face point detection, view record, nursing. Now we check the first one, comprehensive testing. We use the camera handle and take the picture in order. Body, hand, and the icon. Take the pictures of each part. Check. Noise. And mouse corner. Check. Finish the picture, we can click the analyze. And we can see here has the analyze report. It will analyze our wrinkle, part, spot, and so on. And here is the specific skin condition, analyze, and suggestions. And this one is the summary. It summarizes the state of our skin and gives comprehensive suggestions. And here is the historical record. The data we have done every time we do the analysis will be saved here, and we can compare them. And here is the product recommend. We can add the skin care product with corresponding functions in the background. And then when we finish the skin analysis, the system will recommend the suitable product according to our skin conditions. And the record will be stored in the system and can build in the view record. Here is the view record. You can watch the record and print it out. And the second one is the face point detection. It can conduct a analysis of the skin of a certain part of ours. For example, if we want to detect the skin condition of our forehead, we can take a picture of our forehead and then it will analyze our forehead. And the last one is nursing. It has 6 steps. The first one is spade knife. Here is the time we can start to 15. And the power, the minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 10. We can set to 4. And it has 3 modes. The mode 1 is continuous high frequency vibration mode. And mode 2 is high frequency vibration mode. And the last one is intermittent high frequency vibration mode. Okay, here. The second one is the ion bubble pen. The time we also set to 15. And here is the wastewater bottle conditions. The gas is this button. This button is for adjust the gas. Rotate to the right to increase the air pressures and rotate to the left to decrease the air pressures. And the solution selection. This button is the solution selection. We can rotate to the button to the corresponding letter according to our need. If we want to use the solution of the bottle B, we can rotate it to the B. And the water, this one is the water flow. We can turn left to increase the water flow and turn right to decrease the water flow. And can here start working. The next one, ultrasonic. The time we also set to 15. And the power set to 4. You also have 3 modes. The first one is continuous high frequency vibration mode, and the second one is intermittent high frequency vibration mode. The last one is the low frequency vibration mode. Can you hear? Start working. The next one is gold eye. The time set to 15. And the power set to 5. Can you hear? Start working. And next one is the ice tank. The time set to 15. And here is the temperatures. It has an ice repair mode and a thermal detox mode. The temperature in the ice repair mode is -1 to -10, and the temperature in the thermal mode is 40 to 50. The last one is iron gun paint. The time we set to 15. And here is the gas. We rotate to the right to increase the air pressures and rotate to the left to decrease the air pressures. And this one also the solutions selection. And this one is the water flow.